Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comments section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. So, we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with somebody who got accused of domestic violence and abuse of minors. Let's see here. One night, I argued with my wife and I hit her. My 7-year-old son came in the middle and got hurt in the process. The police arrived and I was arrested. Yeah, well, first of all, if you hit your wife, if there's any impact, and if based on that impact, if there's any kind of traumatic injury, cuts, bruises, broken bones, anything where the police can see a traumatic injury, you're going to be charged with a felony domestic violence under Penal Code Section 273.5, which carries up to 4 years state prison. Also, if there's a child involved and the child has any kind of mark on his face or any other part of his body for that, then there's going to be a charge of child abuse under Penal Code Section 273A, parentheses A, which is also a felony that carries up to 6 years in state prison. And by the way, if you are not a U.S. citizen, these are charges of bad moral character, which would result in deportation, exclusion from the United States, and denial of naturalization. Now, when it comes to corporal punishment of children, remember that here in the state of California, you're only allowed to use an open hand. That's it, an open hand. You can't be using a belt, you cannot be using shoes, you cannot hit a child with any physical object. It can only be with the open hand, and the punishment has to be reasonable based on the infraction that the child committed, and more importantly, no marks, no cuts, no welts, no bruises can be left on the child, because at that point, this will be considered child abuse under 273A, parentheses A. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation in court, call us now for a free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the case of somebody who got accused of being in possession of drugs with a loaded weapon. Criminal lawyers, criminal lawyers, DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers, criminal attorney, criminal attorneys, DUI attorney, DUI attorneys.